When it comes to architectural design in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is undoubtedly one of the top architectural designers in the area. With their expertise and innovative approach, they have established themselves as leaders in the field. SCON Design has a team of highly skilled and experienced architects who are dedicated to creating exceptional designs that exceed client expectations. Their commitment to quality and attention to detail sets them apart from other architectural firms in the region. SCON Design is known for its ability to deliver unique and creative architectural solutions that meet the specific needs of each client. They understand that every project is different and requires a customized approach. Whether it's a residential, commercial, or institutional project, SCON Design has the expertise to handle it with precision and expertise. The team at SCON Design is well versed in the latest trends and techniques in architectural design. They stay updated with the industry standards and incorporate them into their designs to create spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional. Their designs are a perfect blend of form and function, ensuring that the end result is not just visually stunning but also practical. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered one of the top architectural designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore is their ability to understand and interpret their client's vision. They take the time to listen to their clients' requirements and preferences and then translate them into innovative architectural designs. This personalized approach ensures that each project is unique and tailored to the client's needs. If you're looking for top-notch architectural design services in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design should be your go-to choice. When it comes to architectural design in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as one of the top architectural designers in the area. With their exceptional skills and expertise in the field, they have established a strong reputation for delivering innovative and creative designs that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is known for their commitment to excellence and their ability to create unique and functional spaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and practical. Their team of top architectural designers combines their technical knowledge with their artistic vision to create designs that are not only visually appealing but also efficient and sustainable. One of the reasons why SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is considered one of the top architectural designers in Marathahalli, Bangalore, is their ability to understand the specific requirements of each project and tailor their designs accordingly. Whether it is a residential building, commercial space, or industrial facility, they have the expertise and experience to create designs that optimize space, functionality, and aesthetics. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd takes a holistic approach to architectural design, considering factors such as environmental sustainability, energy efficiency, and user comfort. They strive to create designs that not only meet the needs of their client